Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing amazing. I mean, for the returning subscribers who really come back to watch my video, who really come back to support my channel. But if you're also new here, guys, you are welcome and thank you so much for click on my video. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you my learning journey, as I promised you to do it day to day, in order to get you update about my forex journey. And once you get interested, I recommend you to join me via on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and we can grow together. So but for the new subscribers, in my previous video also I did share my video about my journey, how I did started, and I also explain what is a forex by definition, and I share my little testimony about how I get interested to start this journey. And in today's video, guys, I'm back with another exciting episode where we are going to see what is traded in forex. Guys, stay tuned. Anyway, welcome to Forex image learning journey. And in this video, guys, I'm going to break it into the category where you can Skype to your favorite, and I'm going also to make a YouTube chapter. And in my previous video, guys, I was mentioned that I'm going to pin or to tag the website where you can learn those, but I'm so sorry because I ended up forget it. But in this video, I'm going to make sure that I will add those websites, those books, which can help you to learn and to make a research by yourself. Anyway, in today's episode, we are going to see what is traded in forex. Guys, you can guess what is traded in forex. Anyway, the simple answer is money or currencies. And remember that you are not buying, or we are not buying or selling physical money. We are selling what you call currencies. We are not buying the papers. We use currencies. And in addition to that, we are going to describe and to see what type of currencies and how it categorized according to how heavy it is, and according how weak those currencies it is. So in forex, we have also three types of currencies. The number one is called major currencies. The second one is cross pair, and the last one is exotic pairs. So, and I'm going to mention, to describe those currencies according how heavy and weak it is. So the major currencies are those currencies which is more heavy, than other, because are the most traded one on the market. Those currencies are just like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY. So those currencies are the most traded one and are the most recommended one once you start to trade the real money. Those currencies are the most recommended because it owns a big market, a huge market in the world market. That's why it's called the major currencies. The second one is cross pair, where there is Australian dollar, Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar versus GPY, and there is another, but I'm not going to listed all those currencies. And the last one is exotic pair, which is the most weakest one in the market. And I'm also going to mention it like a UDD versus New Zealand dollar. And yeah, there is a lot of pair down the exotic pair, which is not going also to be listed. And after that we are going to see the code, country, currencies, and the nicknames of the main currencies that we have, in order to avoid you to become confused once you hear some of the currencies after the year. This one will help you to avoid being confused. So the first column we have the code currencies, the second column we have a country, and the third one we have currency itself, and the last column we are going to mention the nicknames. So the code one is USD, which is from United States, and their currency is dollar, and their nickname is BAC. So once you hear someone mention BAC as money, guys, don't get confused. When it says BAC, it's the same as dollar. But in Peru, once you get in Peru, or you probably hearing someone which calling some dollar the name of cocoa. Cocoa is also dollar, just it's mostly used in Peru. So the second code is euro, which is from Eurozone, and the currency is euro, and the nickname is a fiber. So the second currency code is GPY, which is originated from Japan, and the currency is yen, and the nickname is yen also. It seems like there is no nickname here. The one is the GBP, which is Great Britain, and the currency is pound from Great Britain, of course, and their nickname is cable. The second one is the CHF, which is from Switzerland, and their currency is francs, and their nickname is Swissy. And the second code is called CAD, which is Canada. Their currency is dollar, and their nickname is Rooney. So the next one is AUD, which is from Australia. The currency is dollar, and the nickname is OD. The last one is the last one, but not the least, and is NZD, which is from New Zealand. The currency is dollar, and their nickname is Kiwi. So I think those are most used currencies, and their nicknames. Better to know it in order to avoid get confused once you hear it. Those currencies are traded in pairs. For example, when I say pairs in Forex, is let me give you example. When I say euro USD, that is a pair. It's one currency pairing to another in order to buy one and selling one. Example, GPB and GPY. This is what we call a pair. We don't trade a single currencies. We're pairing those currencies in order to get what we call a pair, in order to buy one and selling one, or selling one and buying one. So that's how we ended up making a profit in a forex. Anyway, let's back to our main topic. What is forex? And remember that since in the beginning I told you forex is buying one currency and selling another one, and that's how we ended up making a profit. And remember that those currencies are traded through a forex broker or CFD provider. And the CFD, it's a kind of abbreviation which means contract for different. And then remember that forex is not trading physical money. In forex we trade agreement, which is a contract or agreement between a broker and a trader. This is what we call it a CFD, or it's kind of agreement between those two parties. And a broker is a company. Remember that a broker is not a person, is not a single is not a single person, is an institution or a big company who is connect you to the market. You are not connected to the market directly. Remember that you are not connected to the market directly. A broker is someone who is a bridge between you and the market. So let's back to our main topic, which is what is forex. As I told you before, forex is buying one currencies and the selling of another one. So those currencies are traded through a forex trader or CDF provider. So when I say CDF in abbreviation, CDF is actually in abbreviation, and in a forward is a contract for difference, which is the more crucial and the more important during forex, because remember that I told you in a forex we don't trade real money, we trade a contract. This CDF is an agreement between your broker and the trader. So that's how a forex is really made. By doing a forex, we are not trading the money, we are trading agreement. Guys, note that we are trading agreement, which is called CFD provider. So the last point, but not the least, is gonna be the last on this episode, is how do people participate in a forex market. So because forex is a awesome, as I told you in my first party, and on this time I told you forex is a awesome, trader come up with a number of different ways to invest or speculate in currencies. So that's how people participate in this forex market. So anyway guys, let's end my video here. I hope everyone can get every single point, and in the next video I will come with another episode where we will see the different things. And I hope this is enough for today. And let me say thank you so much for watching. If you have a new idea, if you have idea, and then you can recommend me another thing which could help me in this journey. And as I told you in my intro, if you really wish to join me in this journey, kindly drop your comment, text me on WhatsApp, text me on Instagram. I'm ready to reply, and I'm ready to get any kind of appointment, a discussion with you. Maybe we can arrange a time to meet, to share the idea together and learn together and grow together. See you in my next video. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for always supporting me. So don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribing. Share this video, and have a nice day.